Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel. Today's video I wanna share what I ate in my school. I tried new Malaysian food in school. Let's start, check it out!
Do you know what is that?
Blue rice, Nasi Kerabu.
Rice, only rice.
Nasi
This-
Kerabu.
This is the
Blue
rice.
Huh?
They have the same rice,
Ah.
but only different in the color.
Ah,
It's
okay,
blue
okay.
color.
Ah, okay. thank
But
you. Oh.
they don't have gravy, but they have sauce.
Oh.
They have veggie,
Oh.
and also they have, I think, but not all same. But this one is different.
Ah, okay, okay.
This one
thank
is
you, thank
sticky
you.
rice.
Oh, sticky rice.
Sticky rice.
Oh, thank you, thank you. Rice is blue color?
Yeah.
Really?
Serious.
Really good.
You have to try it. Yeah.
Okay, let's try. What is name? What is name?
Nasi Kerabu.
Nasi Kerabu.
Yes.
Hello.
Hi.
Nasi Kerabu.
Yeah.
It's blue ice.
The rice is color blue. Yeah.
So good. It's like Malaysian food.
Yeah, Malaysian food.
Ooh, okay. Let's try the blue rice. Okay, here, right?
Yeah, yeah,
Oh, okay.
See that one? The rice is
Oh, wow. Rice is blue. I never seen that. I'm really surprised.
You wanna try?
Oh, I want to try it. Oh my god. Really, really surprised. Wow, so nice. Oh, how much is one? How much? How much?
RM7 with chicken.
Oh, really? Oh, I want to try. I want to try.
Nasi Kerabu.
Nasi Kerabu, right?
Yeah.
Let's try Nasi Kerabu in school. This is like 7 ringgit, so I want to try Nasi Kerabu. Here, there are so many people. Maybe this is line. This is line. Ah, okay. I will wait in here. Okay. What is your order? What is that?
nasi lemak.
Ah, this is nasi lemak. Oh, a little bit spicy, right?
Yeah, this one is spicy. The sambal.
Ah, for next time I will try that. Okay?
Yeah.
Because I
You
wanna.
should.
Oh, okay. Do you like spicy?
Yeah, I like
Ah,
spicy.
so that's why you
Yeah.
love it. Also, size is really big, right? Wow. This is mine. Oh my god. I don't like spicy.
You know what?
Oh, I don't like spicy.
Just a bit.
Oh,
okay?
little bit, little bit.
No. The chicken.
You want chicken?
Chicken, chicken.
Chicken. I give you discount.
Oh really? Oh my
Yeah.
god! She gave me discount. Oh really? Oh my god!
Yeah, because you are pretty.
Wow! 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 55 ringgit. Okay, thank you. Thank you.
Okay, you're welcome.
Can I take a seat here? Oh, thank you, thank you. What is this name? You don't know? Okay, let's open. And you know, right? Oh, why spoon is 2?
Special.
Oh, special. Like that. Blue eyes, blue eyes. Blue eyes. What is this name?
Blue rice.
Blue rice? Just blue rice?
Right, mana? This one.
Okay, let's open.
This one we call nasi kerabu.
Nasi Kerabu.
Nasi Kerabu.
Nasi kerabu.
Nasi Kerabu.
Yeah.
Oh, I really thirsty. You know, like that. Wow, it's amazing, right? I think it's really amazing. Also, this is like heat discount for me. This is only 5 ringgit. So I want to try some food in here like that. Ooh. Try. Try? It's good? It's good? This is my first time to eat this one. Okay, let's see inside. Wow. Wow. This is chicken and this is blue eye. Wow. Like that. I don't know what is that. This is looks like snake.
Keropok.
Klopo. What is klopo?
Like fried chicken.
Hello. What is this one?
Coconut.
Oh really? Wow. Surprised because I never eat with rice with coconut. Okay, let's try blue rice. Like that. Okay, let's try like that. Yummy. I love it. Oh my god. Wow.
Delicious?
It's really delicious. You know? But I don't know what's different they have. Like, hello. And then chicken is really crispy. Yeah. You know? This is the best chicken I had in here. This is coconut, right?
Coconut with vegetable.
Oh, coconut and vegetable like that. Well, coconut flavor is not really strong. Really go well with rice and coconut, right?
Yes.
This is like traditional Malaysian food.
Yeah, traditional. Also.
This is the local food in Kelantan.
Really? Actually, this is not spicy really, right?
Yeah.
Because I don't like spicy food, so I really like it.
Something like sweet.
Oh,
Sweet
really
and spicy.
sweet and crispy. This mix combination is really good. I really like it. Like that. Wow, so nice.
Good.
Why rice color is blue? Why rice color is blue?
To make some blue flower.
Hmm?
And the color turning
The color change.
Amazing. Also, chicken is really big. This is like sauce. Sauce is a little bit spicy, right? This sauce, right?
sambal belacan.
Sambal racha. Sambal racha is a little bit spicy for me, right?
Yeah.
But if I eat with other things, really balance is really good. I really like it, like that mix. Okay, let's try this one. Wow, chicken is really big and inside is really soft and moist. Super yummy. Juicy, really juicy.
Actually, what course do you take?
Business and management.
This is management.
Wow, it's good.
Tak ke ke?
This one is vegetable.
This is we call
Cabbage.
Sausage.
office. Cabbage.
Cabbage.
If I have to rate, I wanna give them 5 star. 5 star. 5 star is enough, right? Hello. What is that?
Kerup.
Fish flavor. It's like 새우 chip, do you know that?
Yeah.
Shrimp flavor is really strong, like fishy, really fishy. And it's crispy, and this is like snack actually.
I mean, to crush it over rice.
이렇게 like that. And then 이렇게
Mix it.
I mix it up like that.
That's how we do it.
They say you have to mix like that. Like that. Twenty one. How about you? This is similar. How about you? 22? I got a pimple in here.
Do you like our culture? Do you like Malaysian culture?
Oh, I love here. And culture and all of these really nice. And food is cheap and really nice. Here is food heaven, right? Really, I think so.
Too many people around here.
Wow. Really yummy. Okay, now I really thirsty, so I want to try drinks. I'm really thirsty, so I want to try some drinks in here. What do you think, which one is better for me?
This one.
This one.
Yeah.
I will follow you.
Follow me.
Oh, okay. This is only 2 ringgit, right?
Yes.
Okay. I think this one is best for me. This one is 1 ringgit. Oh wow, cup holder is really big.
This one is a long cup and small cup.
Ah, okay. Thank you.
Yeah, enjoy yourself. Bye.
He asked for your Instagram.
Oh, cool. Good. You have ID also.
Yeah.
Okay. Here. I will follow back, okay?
What is it?
Oh my god!
That's
Kata tak kenal.
Oh my god!
Different with her too. Last semester.
Oh really?
Let's go lah.
Alright, we need to go.
Papa, see you soon. See you soon. Papa. Wow, this is the best lunch I had in here. Actually, this one is really good. Okay. Do you guys see how crispy it is? Wow. It's good. Maybe this chicken makes this more flavor. I love blue eyes. This is like, tastes like. Hello. But I can explain. I never taste like this kind of things. Hello. You know, I really like to say hello to Malaysia. But Malaysia a little bit high, I think. Total is like 6 ringgit. Wow, how crispy it is like that. Wow. Outside is really. Hello, come here.
Which university are you from?
Hmm?
Which university are you from?
Here.
Study in
아, 강원 유니버시티.
강원?
응.
몇 살이에요?
You speak Korean. Oh my god.
그냥 지금 말을 할 수 있었지만 그냥 지금
You speak Korean well. I am 21. 21. 오, how old are you?
24살.
와, 언니.
24살.
4살. Same age. 와, 언니.
I see you.
Of course. Why you don't want to friend with me?
I want to be friends with
Great.
Taro.
Taro. Like boba? How can I say this? Boba. This is like boba. Taro milk tea, like that? Right.
The flavor is taro. Taro is like yam.
It's really good. Oh my god. This is only 1 ringgit. I'm really surprised.
Yeah.
Oh, it's so cheap. Wow. If I have to buy this one in Korea, maybe I have to pay like 10 ringgit like that. So I really like it.
You really should explore a lot more foods.
Also, chicken is really crispy, right?
Yeah.
Kelly.
Oh, Kelly.
Korean Kelly.
What's your Korean name?
Korean name is Cheun.
Okay, bye-bye. 다음에 보자.
Okay. So nice. I love here. You know, I will come back here next time also. Hello. This one is really yummy. Bye-bye. Have a nice day. Really good, really good.
Really good.
Oh, really yummy. Oh my god. So yummy, delicious. Hey, Papa.
Try again.
Huh?
Come again.
Okay, I'll come back here, okay? Bye-bye. Hello. Bye-bye.
Did you guys enjoy this video? I hope you did. See you soon in next video. Bye bye.